Hello, welcome to another one of the videos in BoomerTech Adventures series, the hidden gems lurking in our iPhone and iPads. Here's a really fun gem, so to speak, to create. In this video, I will demonstrate how you can create your own Memoji. You'll want to do this along with me, so you need to grab your iPhone, or if you have an iPad Pro, you can also create them on that device. Not on a regular iPad, but an iPad Pro. The topics for this video, we're going to explain what a Memoji is. That's quite a mouthful, Memoji. And you're going to create your own Memoji. So, what is it? Well, as I've said several times, you can only create them on your iPhone or if you have an iPad Pro. Once they're created, they will show up on other iPads. But an emoji is simply a cartoon caricature of yourself that you create. And we use them a lot in messaging and texting as a way to make things a little more interesting or to express an emotion. So let's create your own. That's why I wanted you to have your iPhone right in your hand. So please open the Messages app. That's the green background with the white speech bubble. You want to open it. And you want to start a new message. Don't have to write who it's to, just start a new message. And when you do, your keyboard pops up, and in the top row, you should see the emoji icon. And the arrow is pointing to it. It's a bunch of little faces there. So you're going to tap on that, and that's what it looks like on an iPhone. Here's what it looks like on an iPad Pro. You can see the little faces. So once you do that, you will notice there are 3 dots, those infamous 3 dots that mean more options. And they're over to the left-hand side. You can see that I have an arrow pointing to it. Once again, you're looking at a screenshot of an iPhone. Here's what it looks like on an iPad Pro. Once you tap on that, you'll see several options, and you want to tap on New Memoji. So please do that. That's what it looks like on an iPhone. Here's what it looks like on an iPad Pro. Now here's where the fun begins. You're going to design your Memoji. And it's the same whether you're using an iPhone or an iPad Pro. You get to choose your characteristics. So one of the first things is your skin, and as you click on that, you'll see you'll have a variety of skin tones and freckles. You can choose how rosy or how bronzy you want your cheeks to be. Moving along, you can choose your hairstyle. You'll be able to choose the color of your hair. Then you can choose your brows, your eye color. Now, none of them are going to be perfect, but you can play around with it. I'm pretending here that I don't have any gray hair. I'm going back to my youth. Now, another fun thing, if you notice that if you change your facial expression, the Memoji you're working on also will change, and it will mimic your expression. That's why you keep seeing a little dialog box that says, move your device closer to your face. And so you can see you can choose your ears, you can choose facial hair, you can choose earrings, eyewear, headwear, all sorts of things. And when you are satisfied with your Memoji, you're going to tap Done in the upper right-hand corner. Now, that new emoji will now appear in messages and your email. You will have the option to use them. Any older versions you've made will stay. So if you look at the two images there, you'll see the one that I just made with the long brown hair, and you'll see one I made previously, which is more accurate, showing gray hair. Now, the expressions are automatically generated. Whether you're blowing your top, you're laughing, you're crying, you're sending someone hearts, or you really are not happy about something with a thumbs down or kind of a glare. That's all there is to it. So, would like to encourage you to have some fun creating your own Memoji and to use it to add spice and feeling to your text and emails. And as I said, just have fun. So now you know how people have created those little images which sometimes show up on text or in your email or in Facebook. And so now you can create your own. Have fun. Just a quick reminder, there are 9 additional videos, which I hope you will take the time to watch and learn from. This has been Jill from BoomerTech Adventures. I thank you for watching. And if you've never been to Facebook, you might explore it. But if you are a Facebook user, we do have a Facebook page, BoomerTech Adventures. We also have a YouTube channel if you enjoy learning through video. Take a look. So until I see you at the next video, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.